Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Echo device. Very simple, very easy, just follow my steps. So if this video is helpful, make sure you subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn your notification bell. So, if you want to reset the factory settings of your device, just follow my steps. And the reason for that is if you want to give it away, maybe you want to give it to some of your friends, some of your members of your family, or maybe you want to resell the device and you don't want to have your data in. So the way to reset the device, it's very simple. So you need to hold this button for about 25-30 seconds. And now we'll do it together and I'll show you what is the procedure to do that. Let me volume up to here. So let's do it together. So just hold this button for about 20-30 seconds and the device will let us know that it's been resetted. So let's do it now. So just follow my steps. So let's hold the button together.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Keep holding.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Okay, keep hold. Okay, so now remove the hand from the button and now we'll wait until the device it says is ready. So this is going to take like a minute. And I believe the device should be resetted now. Yeah. So the device is reset. As you can see, the blue ring. So this means the device is reset. So now you can put it in your box or you can give it away. So this is the way to reset your Amazon Echo device. If this video is helpful, make sure you subscribe and also don't forget to check some of my videos in the descriptions down below.
Hello, your device is ready for setup.
As you can
Just
see.
download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden. Lade dazu die Alexa App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa e suivez les instructions.
Ciao, il dispositivo è pronto per la configurazione. Scarica l'app Alexa e segui le istruzioni. Hola, el dispositivo está listo.
Okay, so as you can see, your device now is ready to set up. Or let's say if the device had some problems, it's buggy, you can reset it the same way. My name is Stefan. If this video is helpful, again, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and I'm going to see you in my next video.